Rishabh and I hail from the steel city of Jamshedpur. I am a third generation engineer in my family. I did my Bachelor of Engineering in Chemical from Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra. After college, I joined ABG in the summers of 2017, recruited in the Engineering Leadership Program, and since then it has been quite a journey for me in terms of learning and building my arsenal of skills. The ELP program is well structured and gives you that initial brush at the functions in the organization while deepening your practical understanding of the applications at an industrial level of what you learned back in college. You get an opportunity to interact with unit and business leaders and learn from them, as well as rotate across sites throughout your induction tenure. Professionally, my horizons of understanding of the entire value chain has expanded tremendously in the past 3 years at ABG. And personally, it has developed me into a patient and an empathetic individual, as working in manufacturing where the actual churning happens, it entails a lot. Well, I have been working with the strategy and planning function for the past 1 year, and the multifaceted work actually interests me and gets me going. In the coming future, I see myself taking up higher roles, leading teams, and mostly bringing a focused cultural shift in the ways we work. I have worked in the chemical sector of ABG for almost 3 years now. Currently, I am working as the executive assistant to unit head here at Renukot. My typical day would be going through different reports, analyzing gaps, creating action plans, preparing for implementation of sustainability standards or closure of audit open findings, or discussing different technical improvement schemes with the function heads here at the unit. I've actually got 2 advices for ELP aspirants. Be strong on your choices and your attitude, and be ready for a roller coaster ride of opportunities, learnings, and self-transformation here at ABG.